Hey guys, it's Kelsey. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some adaptive workouts. Personally, it's hard for me to get a proper workout on all the muscles on this arm, so I've come up with a few workouts that kind of work for me. Hopefully they'll work for you. If you guys have any suggestions for different workouts that you do, please leave those in the comments below because I'm always looking for different workouts to do. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments as well. I'd love to answer those for you guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get started. Okay, so it's definitely harder to find workouts for my bicep and tricep because I have such a short arm at the elbow. So what I did is I went to Dollar General and got these resistance bands. They were like $5. They have a light one, a medium, and then a heavy one. So for my bicep, I will literally just wrap the bottom around my foot and the top up here and then can pull that. And then for tricep, I'll just hold it at my chest and then go down. So these are the best ones I came up with. Hopefully they can help you and maybe you'll have some suggestions for me. Okay, so when I'm doing pull-ups, I usually use one of these handles and I'll just put my arm inside.